Hi viewers, welcome to Akshaya Vlogs and Crafts. Today let's see Adi Kesava Perumal temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and located in Tiruvattar, Kanyakumari district in the state Tamil Nadu, India. The Lord is worshipped as Adi Kesava Swami, means foremost friend, with his consort as Maragadavalli Tayar. It is one of the 108 Divya Desams, the holy sites of Hindu Vaishnavam according to existing Tamil hymns from the 7th and 8th centuries CE. The temple is one of the historic 13 Divya Desams of Malay Nadu. The temple is a picturesque setting surrounded on three sides by rivers, namely River Gotai, River Parali, and River Thamirabarani. It is believed that the temple is older than Padmanatha Swami temple at Thiruvananthapuram. According to the legend, Lord Adikesava defeated the demon Kesi. The demon's wife prayed to the river Ganges and river Thamirabarani and created destruction. They came in spate to wash off the Lord. Mother Earth simply raised the ground level where Perumal was reclining. Both rivers went round the Lord, prayed to him, and continued to flow around as two garlands. Thus, the formation of the rivers made in a circle came to be known as Tiruvattaru. The temple architecture is Dravidian style architecture with wooden pillars, doors, and roofs. The idol of Adi Kesava and Sri Padmanabha are facing each other. The Lord is lying on a snake couch and has to be viewed through three doors. Lord Shiva idol is found near Lord Adi Kesava Perumal inside the Sannidhi. Deepa Lakshmis are many, but none resembles the other. The Ottrekal Mandapam, single stone hall made of a single stone 3 feet thick, is a marvel. The temple timing is open from 5 am to 12 pm and from 5 pm to 8 pm. The puja timings: the temple performs the puja in the morning, Palliyunattal at 4 am, Panchakavasam at 5 am, Abhishekam at 6:30 am, Malar Nivediyam at 7:30 am, Uchakala Pujai and Uchi Pujai at 10:45 to 11:45, and Deepa Aradhana and Adala Pujai in the evening at 6:30 pm. Saturday festival in the month of Puratasi, September to October. 10 days Pangani festival in the month of Pangani. Thiruvonam in Avani month. Vaikunta Ekadasi in the month of Margali. This temple is situated 6 km northeast of Marthandam and 30 km northwest of Nagarkoil in Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. The temple is on the elevated level hill and facing west. It has entrances on east-west side. Devotees used to enter on both sides. The sanctum sanctorium is of rectangular shape to accommodate Sri Adi Kesava's reclining posture on Adi Seshan. Moreover is made of kadugu, mustard, chippy, lime powder, and chakra, jaggery. It was told that 16,008 salagrama is inside the idol. Moreover is about 18 feet. So Abhishekam is not done to the Moreover. Along with Moreover are Sri Devi, Bhudevi, Madhu, and Kaidabas. There are 3 openings in the sanctum sanctorium. Head, body, and foot are seen through these openings. The sanctum sanctorium has kostas without images. In the Mukta Mandapam, reliefs of various deities on the wooden pillars. Ashtadik Palakas are on the ceiling. Palipidam, Dwajastambam are in front of the Mukta Mandapam. Arjunan, Karnan, warriors, Gangalar, Radhi, Manmadan, Bhikshandar are also in the Mukha Mandapam. Since the temple is under Palalayam, pujas are conducted to Utchavas kept in the inner Praharam. In the outer Praharam, Dharmasastha and Vatakni Nadar. The temple has inner and outer prakaram built in Kerala style. The outer prakaram was built in 16th to 17th century. It is awesome to see the Pave Vilakku. Females holding the lamp statues are on the pillars. The pillars has various bas reliefs which includes Vaishnava deities, birds, motifs, animals, erotic sculpture, etc. The sanctum walls are with various paintings like Gajalakshmi, Narasimha and Vishnu various avatars. The Palipidam is little tall with Krishna, Kanna playing the flute and the calf are drinking milk from the other mothers. Believed that this temple was constructed similar to Sri Ananta Padmanatha Swami temple but not to that size. Functions and pujas are done as per Thiruvidangur Maharaja's decision. Venattu kings worship Lord Adikesava Perumal as their Kula Devam. The pujas are not as per Tantrika Agama. Brahmins are not allowed to carry out the pujas and pujas are done by the Podimas. The temple has Kulatunga Chola first inscription with its Mikiti, a 11th century inscriptions records and paving of steps by Varadapattar. The 17th century inscription mentions only the year. Apart from Chola king's inscriptions, Veera Martanda Varma 510 to 519 CE, Veera Kerala Varma 519 to 550 CE, Sempalatita Varma 612 to 646 CE, Kulasegaran Perumal 644 to 659 C, and Unni Kerala Varma 734 to 753 C. Period inscriptions once recorded are missing during renovations. Due to the error in Brahma's yajna, two demons called Kesan and Kesi came out. They gave troubles to Devas and sages. When they complained this to Lord Vishnu killed Kesan and kept Kesi as pillow. The demon's wife sought Ganga and Tamirabarani's help to destroy Lord Vishnu. When the two rivers came in spate, Mother Earth raised the level and the rivers flowed like garland circle around him. When Kesi tried to escape from Vishnu's 12 hands, Vishnu held Kesi in between 12 Rudrakshas, which later turned to 12 Shiva temples around Thiruvattar. Shiva devotees used to run and pray all the 12 temples on Mahasivaratri day. Since Lord Vishnu destroyed Kesan, he is being called as Adi Keshava Perumal. There is no lotus or Brahma on the navel of Perumal. It is believed that the devotee worshipping Perumal here would have no further births. Maharishi Hadaliya is near the head of the Lord. Setting rays of sun fall on the Lord in Panguni, March to April from 3 to 9 and from 3 to 9 in the month of Puratasi, September to October. Those on a pilgrimage to 108 Divya Desas are advised to worship Lord Adikesava Perumal first before proceeding to Thiruvananthapuram to worship Lord Ananda Padma Swami. Here the Lord grants all the wishes of the devotees. Devotees offer Thirumanjanam to the Lord and Mother. Lord Adikeshava Perumal graces in a reclining form, longer than the lords of this form in the 108 Perumal shrines. He is facing west, his eyes set on Thiruvananthapuram Lord Ananda Padma Swami. It is a rare form that Perumal facing west with his left hand hanging and right assuring the devotees, Abhayahasta, his head and feet are south-north directions respectively. Mother Margadavalli Nachiyar graces with Lord. Let's all have the darshan of this Lord and Mother and get their blessings. Thank you viewers. Bye bye viewers.